In this video, you will see how to add line numbering in Word in the continuous format. So the numbering will also continue from the next page in the sequence. It's very easy. To add line numbering in Word, you need to go to the Layout tab here, and under the Layout tab, we can find the line numbering option. So under the Layout tab, you will see here the option of line numbering. You just have to click on the drop down, and you will see here different options like continuous, start each page, and so on. So for this video, we want a continuous line numbering, so we will select continuous. After clicking on this option, the line numbering will be inserted. Now in case if you want to remove this line numbering from the Word document, you have to click back on the line numbering option and just select the option none. This will remove line numbering in Word if it is in continuous format. The line numbering is particularly useful when you are writing a manuscript and are about to submit to a research journal. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these videos related to thesis writing. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.